slime kit, so yeah. I have a bunch of travel size slime here, travel size stuff, not slime, and we're gonna be making basically just like putting, you know, the glue in the stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a travel size slime kit, just like I just said right now. Anyways, and this is also kind of like a sequel to my little series that I did of travel size slime. You guys should definitely go ahead and check that out. That was like probably one of my favorite videos, like, cause it's just so fun. There's like travel size tiny stuff, baby powder, baby oil, you name it, guys, you name it. It's just awesome. You guys should try the challenge. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. And today's Slimeatory challenge is gonna be,
many months later.
Oh, I don't know. Try to put the link with your wrist right here. If you guys do, make sure you comment down below hashtag I did it. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get these thingamajigers. So okay, so I got these at Walmart. It's just like a little 5-piece travel kit. There's only 4. Seriously. Okay, so here I just have this 5-piece travel kit, and I don't know, this was just like by the travel size, but I do know that they do sell like just individual bottles like this. So if they don't have this, you can just get like an individual bottle. First you get your bottle, then you fill your bottles up with something, whatever. So I get some white glue. So I have some Elmer's white glue right here, and I just have a gallon of it. So you just don't want to very slowly put the glue inside the bottle. Okay, so we got our first bottle of white glue. Now we're gonna put some clear glue. Okay, I have some color splash right here, and I just spilled it everywhere. Second try. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Yay. Okay, the clear glue looks so much cooler than the white glue, guys. Okay, we got our glues all finished, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the activator. So I like to put the activator in this bottle. You can put it in this bottle if you want, because this one's like a squeezy bottle, I guess. But I like this squirt bottle more. And then I got a squirt bottle of borax, but this one's too big to put in there, so pour that in there. All right, and we're all done. Ta-da! Okay, so that is like basically it for the basic slime, travel size slime kit. So now all you're gonna do is get all your stuff, put it in there, and you're ready to go. Now that's why if you want like just that, then you can actually also put food colorings in there and like glitter if you want to. So if you want to add like glitter or anything to that, you just go ahead and get like these containers. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what these are called, but it says travel jar 2-pack. Okay, and these are also gonna be our slime bowls and slime containers. So you're gonna wanna have like 4 or I don't know how many you want, so that you can have like a bunch, but I'm just gonna have 1 bottle for glitter. I'm not gonna put a lot because I don't really need a lot, and yeah. Okay, and that is it for your glitter. Whoopsies, okay. All right, now we're just gonna stuff that inside your pack too. And presto, now you got a travel size slime kit, and now we're gonna use it. Okay, so say you're going to Hawaii or like China or something, or Mars, I don't know, and you're in the car and you want to make some slime. Well, now you get a handy dandy travel size slime kit. You whip it out and you get your slime. I'm gonna be making white slime, yellow. So all you're gonna do, oh my god, guys, I almost forgot. Don't forget to put in a little stirring object in your slime kit. I use these little miniature forks I got from the dollar store. So you're gonna go ahead and get your tiny fork. You're gonna get your glue. And I'm gonna let it fill like that much because it gets really hard when you're stirring it, and it's just like if you fill it up too much. Then I'm gonna get my food coloring. I'm gonna put it yellow. Mix that. Ooh, that's a really pretty yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get your activator, and you're gonna spray that. I like using the spray bottle. I don't know, it's just like it's easier because like you put the right amount of borax, you know, instead of putting like a bunch on accident. You can kind of just spray it on. Okay, now I'm finally done with my slime. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my glitter. You just get, okay, now just sprinkle a little bit. Okay, and ta-da, now you gotta go, now you have a travel size slime, yes. Like, look at how cool this is, guys. We literally just made a miniature slime. And you can like make this inside your car. It would be so fun on a road trip, guys. You know, you're just looking outside at all the nature, and then you like making some slime. So this is what I mean by like making sure you have like enough containers, because like I only have 1, so I only have 1 slime to make. So you wanna make sure you put like 3 or 4 containers. All right, let's make some more slime. Okay, I'm gonna make 1 more slime, guys, and then I'm gonna show you some more slime kits we can make. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the clear slime really quick, and I got another container because I didn't put enough in there. Then I'm gonna make this one blue. By the way, guys, clear glue slime, like clear slime, might actually be a little bit harder to make if you're in the car, because like it's kind of harder to activate, so be careful with this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put like some gold glitter. Look at how pretty that is, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. And by the way, you're gonna want to try and make your slime a little bit more activated than usual, just because if it falls, you don't want to get stuck to the car. So be careful, guys. Okay guys, I'm finally done with my slime. It is a little bit overactivated just because like it took me that long to make the slime. But anyways, here it is. Isn't it so cool, guys? Like it's a little miniature little slime. Like I love it. I don't know. I just love it so much. Okay, well that is it for the basic slime kit. I really like this slime kit because it's like, you know, it's just basic. So let's get on to the next one. Okay, the next one we're gonna do, guys, is how to make a fluffy slime. So the last one was just basic slime. Now we're gonna do fluffy slime. You're gonna get all your stuff. So you're really gonna only need like these two right here, these two bottles. So just like 2 bottles. First, you're gonna get your bottle and you're gonna fill it up with glue. You could probably use, you could use whatever glue you want, like whatever glue you prefer to use to make fluffy slime. I prefer to use white glue. Okay, now we're gonna bottle the glue. Then you're gonna put some borax in the next one. Actually, on this one, I wanted to fill it up with just saline solution. So this is like contact lens solution. If you just put like glue, shaving cream, you can actually use contact lens solution as the activator. So I'm gonna be using this as activator for this one. Because I know some of you guys, you don't have borax or Tide and you only have like contact lens solution. So, okay, now we have our contact lens solution. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our bowls. Okay, and actually guys, if you don't want to put glitter in a container and you have these like little tiny ones you can actually get at the store. These are like literally perfect, guys. Okay, the last thing you want for the slime kit is to get this miniature travel size bottle of shaving cream. And this thing actually has a lot of shaving cream in it. So it's very good and it's so tiny and cute. Look at it. Anyway, so once you're done with everything, you just want to go ahead and get your glue, put your activator, your shaving cream, and then get all your containers, your glitter, and your food coloring. I have these food colorings from like some slime kit. And of course your miniature fork or popsicle stick, whatever you're using. And then you have your fluffy slime travel size slime kit, yes. Okay, so you're on the road, you want to make some fluffy slime, you want to go ahead and get your glue and your activator and everything. Okay, so you get your glue. And since it's fluffy slime, guys, you really only want to put like a little bit, like literally like nothing, because like it becomes really big. Okay, then you get your shaving cream, your tiny little shaving cream. This is like my favorite thing, guys, like tiny shaving cream. You might want to put the shaving cream before, actually. Maybe that would be easier to stir. I don't know. Like I said, it gets really big very fast, so. Then you want to go ahead and get your food coloring. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get your contact lens solution. And this is like so cool to me. I don't know why, but it's so cool because like contact lens solution, like it starts activating it. It's because of the shaving cream, guys. I think it has like baking soda in it. I don't know, but. Now we're gonna go ahead and get your glitter. All right, we're gonna put our glitters. Guys, yes, look at that. It's miniature fluffy slime. Isn't that so cool, guys? Like, look at it's like a miniature slime. But you don't play with your slime, just go ahead and keep it, put it in the container. I like keeping it in a container because I can just like poke it and stuff. All right, let's make one more fluffy slime. This time I'm gonna put the shaving cream first because I've never really tried that and I feel like it'll work better. Then we put our glue. Ooh, that mixed a lot. Yeah, that's probably a better thing to do, guys, is put the shaving cream first. Now I'm gonna put the food coloring. Okay, I'm gonna make this one green. Now we're gonna activate it. By the way, guys, if your slime isn't activating with the contact lens solution, it could be that you don't have enough shaving cream or that you have too much shaving cream. So be careful, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and put the glitter. And ta-da! Look at how cute that is, guys, yes. Okay, that is it for that one. And we are all done with our fluffy slime. Okay, this next one we're gonna do, guys, is like special ops type deal, like the other one. So we're gonna be making a cloud cream one and a foam one. Okay, so we're only gonna use one bottle. You can use the other bottle if you want, because like if you want extra glue or something, I don't know, but you can use it if you want. Just fill up your glue bottle with whatever you want. So if you like to make cloud cream with clear glue, then make it with clear glue. Okay, we got our white glue right here. Okay, then fill your spray bottle with the activator. All right, now we got our glue and our activator. Now we're gonna go ahead and get your foam and your instant snow. So this is just instant snow, guys. That's how you make cloud cream. So you just get instant snow, you put a little bit of water in it. Okay, and this is the other containers I was talking about, guys. They're just 2 ounces. You can get them at the store. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get your bag again. You're gonna put your glue, activator, foam, instant snow, container, other container. Then you put your food colorings. I'm just gonna put red and yellow. And then of course put your extras in there. I'm just gonna put these glitter right here, and I think that's it. And put on! Now you got your cloud cream special slime travel size slime kit. Yay. Okay, let's try it. We got our slime kit right here. Okay, so we got our glue right here. I'm gonna make cloud cream as the first one, so I'm just gonna put it like halfway because it does expand, I think. Okay, this one I'm gonna make it orange. By the way, guys, if you want to make all the colors of the rainbow, all you have to do is just get red, yellow, and blue, and you got everything. Okay, we got some red. All right, and let's mix that. Okay, there's my orange. It's very, very, very strong because it's like a little bit of slime with a lot of food coloring, so yeah. But anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. And when you make cloud cream, guys, you want to put a lot of activator because the instant snow kind of like melts it for some reason, so you want to make your slime a little bit harder than usual. Okay, so I think this is probably a good amount, like it kind of just rips. Anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and get your snow. And you just put it in your little thingy. And you guys, you don't have to use the 2-ounce cups for like the snow and the foam balls. I'm just showing you guys as an example, but you can use like these ones too. So you just want to keep on putting your slime inside the instant snow and just like kind of kneading it in until it becomes fluffy. Okay guys, and there's my cloud cream. I know it has a bunch of white little dots in it, but that's just because it kind of needs to like set a little bit. So just leave it for a little bit, guys, and it should like go, like it should leave. The white little spots should leave. So if you have a little problem with that, just leave it and it should be fine. And ta-da, all done. Okay, we are all done with the cloud cream. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the foam. I'm gonna use white glue for the foam, obviously, because that's all I have right now. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna try and make this one pink. So I'm only gonna like get a little bit of food coloring, and ta-da, now you got pink. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. Foam is exactly the exact opposite of cloud cream, so you're basically gonna wanna make it stickier than cloud cream, you know, so stickier than usual, just a little bit, so that the foam beads can stay in there. Okay, so this should be a pretty good amount of stickiness. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is pretty sticky. If you make it too hard, you can like put a little bit of lotion if you bring lotion, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get my foam beads, and guys, look at this. I got micro foam beads because it's travel size slime, so it's like travel size foam beads. Okay, just put some foam beads in there. I love foam, guys, like it is so awesome. By the way, guys, I got these micro foam beads from Amazon, but you can also get them from like neck pillows. I don't know if you guys know, but like the travel, anyways, there's like travel neck pillows that you can put, like it's like a U shape. If you cut it open, it has the micro foam bead. But make sure you get the ones with the foam beads in it, because sometimes they're like memory foam, so be careful. Okay, there it is, guys. There's my foam. Isn't it so cute? Tiny little foam. I'm just trying to get the last of all the foam beads. And also, guys, if you are in the car with foam beads, be careful, because these things, they fly everywhere, so be really careful. Okay, so I'm all done with my foam. Look at how cute it is. It is so nice, guys. It feels so nice. Look at it. Okay, we'll put this in the container. Let's check on our cloud cream, though. Let's see how that's doing. Well, it still hasn't completely set, but I don't know if you guys can see, but the white dots are finally starting to go away. Okay, guys, we're all done with our slime kits. Let's go ahead and do a slime smoothie now. A tiny slime smoothie, a travel size slime smoothie. Okay, we got all of our slimes right here. So we got our floam. I love this one, it's so nice. Let's just go ahead and put that right there. We got our fluffy slime, our other fluffy slime, our clear slime. Guys, make sure you take screenshots and post it on Instagram and tag me on it. And we got our yellow, and then our cloud cream, which still hasn't gotten rid of all the white spots. Maybe I put too much, guys. Ta-da! Make sure you take screenshots, guys. Okay, this is gonna be the cutest thing ever. Oh, it sounds so nice, guys. That looks so cool, guys. Look at that. That looks so cool, guys. It looks like an ocean or something. I don't know. Ooh, it didn't end up a bad color, guys. Once you guys are back from your road trip, you can do a slime smoothie at the end. Oh, okay, it became an ugly color, guys. It became brown. Ooh, it sounds really nice. It actually has a really cool texture. Okay, well guys, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want a part like 4 type to it. I don't know. And also if you want me to do a travel size slime while traveling. Yeah. Okay, well that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I really hope to see you next time. Bye.